GSM, ready? The right gear. The right gear. The flavor of the month free LG tablet, not always the right gear, right? There are devices that have promotions. What do? You typically pick up the phone and call your Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile rep and say, hey, I need 45 tablets or I need 500 tablets. What do you got for me, right? Is it the right gear? Is it the right tablet? Is it supported by the application provider? Is it an iPhone that maybe should be a rugged phone? Who's going to use it? Is it a truck driver? Is it going to be mounted in the truck and just live there? Is the driver going to take that thing in and out of the truck? Is it a technician? Are they going to be, going under the house where it may be wet? Are you in the plumbing business and the devices are constantly going to get wet? Are you in the roofing business and could they be dropped off the roof by accident? You got to take all those things into consideration. Do you need a consumer tablet that can be ruggedized? Do you need an inherently rugged tablet? Are you going to try to do it with an iPhone whenever a ruggedized like Cat phone or Sonim should be used? So it's all about the right device and then the mount. You've got to mount that thing. It's got to have the right type of protection and mounting and charging in the cab of that truck. If you get a suction cup mount and like a universal mount and a car charger off of Amazon, you're going to get the driver, the technician is not going to have a good experience. So the aim here is to give them the best possible experience. So the right gear, very important.